Good afternoon. Welcome to the training on how to find and use eDoctrina free question items. These question items are old Regions items that are available for your use for free in eDoctrina. Currently, we are at our home screen. All we need to do is go up to the Assessment tab at the top and down to our Questions Bank. From the Questions Bank screen, you will notice we have a yellow filter box up at the top. The first thing you will need to do is filter your question bank to the eDoctrina free items. From there, you would just need to filter and find the subject and the grade. I'm going to reset my filters here and change to my free items question bank. And I'm going to start by looking in mathematics, grade 9, which is algebra. As you can see, it'll start filtering for you, and we have records over here on the left-hand side from 1 to 975. If I was to get rid of the grade filter, you can see in mathematics there are 2,284 question items available. As of right now, we're going to stick with algebra, and you will notice that each question item is labeled and listed a specific way. It'll start on the left-hand side with the question ID number. And then you have the type of question it is, whether it's multiple choice, numeric, or letter, or otherwise. You then have the actual question on the page, your standards associated with it, and the subject. They're all listed in that way, and you can filter any other way that you would like. Most times it's easiest to just filter by subject and grade to find what you're looking for. If you are looking for mathematics, but maybe you weren't looking for algebra at this point, maybe you were looking for geometry, you could filter to mathematics grade 10 and you will see all of your geometry items over on the right hand side listed there. For geometry, we currently have 620 question items available, and you could just filter going up by grade depending upon what you're looking for. This is algebra 2 and so on. You would do the same if it was a different subject, for example, social studies. And we're going to start with grade 9. In grade 9, we don't have standards listed for those ones, but as you move forward, those standards will be available to you as well. Unfortunately, you cannot currently search by standard. The easiest way to search is by selecting the subject and the grade, and you can move forward from there. Once you find your question item that you like, you can either write down its assessment or its question ID number over here on the left-hand side and add that into your assessment, or if you're in your question bank through the assessments page, you can drag and drop those questions in as needed. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us at Broome Tayagaboses. My name is Kelly. Have a great day.